So as you learn, let's talk about all this crossing we're doing, whether it's split time or same time. A good habit in anything you're doing is any pattern, anywhere you can hold it, learn to hold it. So don't just cross and come back. Cross and see if you can be comfortable in the crossed position, with either hand on top. So you can cross and put your right hand on top, see if you can get your nice straight planes, or cross and keep your left hand on top, and again see if you can keep your planes. You also want to do this split time. And if you can learn to do the split time, and at first, don't worry, it's definitely going to be all floppy. It will, lots of stuff you'll be learning will be floppy at first. It's normal. So you can start, you can even cross your arms first and just try to, and if it's like all floppy flop, don't worry, next week it'll be better. Just to get the process started. See if you can get a forward, split time going at least a little bit, either arm on top, just a little bit. And then when you do your crossing, see if you can cross in and do a couple and come back. And then the other way and do a few spins and come back. And you'll start getting, because our body, we don't typically do a lot like this. So it's like as a kid when you do this thing and you do the which finger, blah, blah, blah. It's like that. It'll take your brain a little bit to figure it out, but it will. You'll enjoy watching it all start to work. So, cross your arms. You can start same time. Try it again in your split time. And then every time you practice, you'll be a little more comfortable with it. And then you'll be amazed at how comfortable it is to slide in and out of that position. And then your 2-beat weave will feel really smooth. And the other 2-beat weave will feel really smooth. And these will feel really controlled. And you can start progressing higher and lower, out far, in close, one high, one low. Remember, you're always exploring high, low, where you can reach, fast, slow, all of that. It's like good sex. So enjoy that, and